On today's news, Cloudscape II opens with a computing infrastructure use case scenario on the first day, followed by a networking cocktail supported by Microsoft on the 22nd of February in the evening. And on the 23rd of February at the Hilton Hotel Brussels, builds on the highly successful workshop. The first workshop was held in last January, bringing together over 100 people from enterprise research and members from the European Commission and policy stakeholders as well. Microsoft is kindly supporting Cloudscape II with a networking cocktail hosted at the Microsoft Executive Briefing Centre in Brussels on Monday, 22nd of February from 18:30 onwards. I would like to now go over to Fabrizio Gagliardi, who is the Industry Expert Group Chair of OGF Europe and the EMEA Director of External Research for Microsoft Research, who will provide us a few insights on the importance of Microsoft's engagement to an international event like Cloudscape.
The outcomes of Cloudscape, organized in January 2009 in Brussels, were primarily around data confidentiality, legal issues, security, and trust challenges. Microsoft has been examining and addressing security and privacy challenges for many years, and this extensive experience has helped us to develop well-defined business practices, privacy policies, and security measures that have been extended to Microsoft Cloud Computer Services lately. Actively contributing to Cloudscape II is an opportunity for us, for Microsoft, to demonstrate some hands-on use cases scenarios with the Microsoft Azure platform, as well as addressing its active participation and contribution to the Simple Cloud API activity and open source consortium of several IT vendors that make it easier for developers to use cloud application services. One of the design goals of the project is to encourage innovation. The Simple Cloud API is an example of Microsoft's continued investment in the openness and interoperability of its platforms. Coupled with this, as the Industry Expert Group Chair of OGF Europe, I see together with my fellow colleagues on the board that interoperability is an invaluable characteristic to a successful application of distributed computing. Contrary to the evolution of the grid, cloud computing has seen its growth through business interest as an implementation of the Software as a Services (SaaS) model. The challenge now is to see how this model can be best adapted towards future strengthening infrastructures and their science communities. We are looking forward to stimulating 2 days of a Cloudscape II event.
Cloudscape II offers perspectives on Europe's positioning and future cloud directions based on input from leading figures, market analysis from the 451 Group, and sessions dedicated to cloud service providers, interoperability challenges, implementing computing infrastructures on the cloud, and use cases from EC-funded initiatives. The workshop also features a report on cloud security based on findings from ENISA, the European Network and Information Security Agency. This is just out now. Participants will come away with an understanding of the needs of enterprise and the SME community, SME approaches to cloud services, commercial delivery models, and the virtual data center, as well as of future directions taken by the European Commission. Participants will also gain insights into doing science on the web powered by clouds, the challenges facing the European Grid Initiative, and policy perspectives for future infrastructures, bringing value add to both enterprise and research, building on the use cases of European initiatives such as BRAIN and Reservoir. Registration is free of charge, but places are limited. To download the agenda and register for Cloudscape II, click on Events on the left-hand side of the screen and follow the links. Anyone already registered on the OGF Europe channel just needs to click to confirm attendance. This is the end of our news brief. Thank you for joining us.